I am Dr. Chanchal Bhar, visiting dermatologist of Thakuria AMRI Hospital, which is at present a Manipal hospital. Now I am going to talk about the retinols. What is the importance of retinol and what is retinol? Retinol is actually, we know it has got some anti-aging properties. Retinol is actually a vitamin A derivative. We use it at night and we ask the patient just to apply a very thin layer, not to rub, and first we start with a very low concentration of retinol so that the skin gets used to this type of products. Retinol is used as an anti-aging procedure and an anti-aging material. It also removes the wrinkles and it also maintains the collagen production of the skin. And with retinol, it is very important to use one sunscreen at the daytime, and retinol should be used at night only. And one should consult his or her dermatologist before using any retinol. Thank you.